Be honest, how many times have you copied the same SQL into Looker Studio, Connected Sheets, Tableau, and then slightly tweaked it for each of those? One day, you add some slight tweaks to a data source in Looker Studio which filters out the data in one place. But you forget the others. And boom, your reports, your dashboards don't match. They show different values for the same metrics. Today, in this video, I will show you how to stop living in the copy-paste hell and manage all your logic in one place with OWOX data marts. Let's create this website sessions by channel data mart. I'll give it a name. Select the storage, my data warehouse. I'll paste here the SQL that I wrote already. I'll wait for it to be validated, yes, and then I'll click Save and Publish data mart. This logic is locked and reusable. You always have a place to find the SQL you or your colleagues already created. No more buried SQL across different tools. Next, I'll go and document it. Because let's be honest, it's always better to document your work, right? I'll add a description about what it is. I'll then go back to check the output schema to see that not everyone would understand these names, and I don't want to rewrite the whole SQL for it. So instead, I will add the aliases to the fields and give descriptions to where they are needed. Done. Save the output schema. This is the kind of clarity that saves you from the Slack pings later from the business users that are checking that report. Now, instead of copy-pasting the same SQL that we have into every BI tool, I'll go to Destinations and connect this data mart to Looker Studio by just toggling this, so it can pull the data from it. And I'll also create a Google Sheets report here. I'll just create a new document in Sheets. Add its title here in the destination and also paste the URL to the document right here. Click Create a report. Now we need to run this report to check that everything is working. Boom! You can see how data is flowing in my Google Sheets. Together with the aliases and the descriptions hidden as notes, it's useful, but not messing this stuff. Now, it's just time to add a trigger on the Triggers tab to refresh this report. Just select Report Run, select the report from the list, set the days and time. I'll go with every day at 9 AM and we are good to go. Let's change one thing. Maybe update the date filter here in the query in the From statement. I do this tweak. Check while it's validated and save it here. Now, everywhere, across all the BI tools we are using, across all the BI tools this data mart is used, the changes are going to be live with the next refresh. Let's run our Google Sheets report manually to see the changes. Potentially, we were able just to wait for tomorrow 9 AM as my trigger is set for that time. Data is flowing in. Great. It's updated. No hunting through dashboards to figure out that SQL query. It's all saved in one single place for everyone from the data team. Reused across all the BI tools and you never have mismatched numbers anymore. So next time someone pings you on Slack asking why their dashboards doesn't match finance, remember, it's not about fixing every other dashboard. It's about defining logic once and reusing it everywhere across all BI tools and all stakeholders. And that is just one of hundreds of benefits you get when using OWOX data marts. And hey, if you found this video helpful, go try OWOX data marts yourself. It's free forever when self-hosted and free to start in the OWOX cloud. I know, the future you will definitely thank you for doing it now, and maybe you will finally stop dreading those numbers don't match Slack messages.